Today we're making small batch chili. It's a traditional chili just like your mom used to make. It's thick, delicious, and the perfect way to warm up on a cold winter's night. Hi, I'm Leanne from YourHomeBasedMom.com. Join me in the kitchen as we make small batch recipes with big taste. We're going to start by adding about a tablespoon or so of olive oil into our pan, a half of a cup of onion, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. And then go ahead and saute it till your onions are nice and soft. We're going to go ahead and add in a half of a pound of hamburger. I'm using an 85-15 blend. You can keep the other half of the hamburger in the freezer or brown it up and make some tacos out of it. Once our meat is browned, we're going to add in our seasoning. I've got a tablespoon of chili powder, a half of a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of sugar, add a little sweet, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. Mix that all up good. It's smelling yummy. Now, instead of ground beef, if you want, you can always use ground turkey or ground chicken. It's not going to have as much fat in it, and fat does give flavor, so you may need to add a little bit more seasoning if you do that. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now, with these small batch recipes, buying tomato paste in a tube is the best way to do it because you don't end up throwing away what's left in the can. So I'm just going to take it and squeeze in what looks like about 2 tablespoons. All right, mix that up. Next, we're going to add in a 15-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. I like them petite, but you can use regular dice too. We're going to add in 3/4 a cup of beef broth. And I am going to use half of a can of red kidney beans. Now, you can put the whole can in if you like a lot of beans in your chili. I don't like a lot of beans in my chili, so I'm going to save them, throw them on some salads or into some other soup. Then the final ingredient, one that I think makes a big difference in flavor, is a half of a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Just kind of deepens the flavor of the chili. And then we're going to let it come to a low boil and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes to thicken up and let all those flavors come together. This small batch chili is a perfect make-ahead meal. It reheats easily and it also freezes really well. And I actually think the chili tastes better the next day after the flavors have had a chance to meld together. So all we're going to do is dish us up some chili, and then you can add whatever your favorite chili toppings are. For me, I prefer a little grated cheddar cheese and a little green onion. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite thing is to put on a bowl of chili. There you have it. Dinner is served. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and make sure you check out some of my other videos by clicking down below, especially that small batch lasagna. It's a good one. And we'll see you in the next video.